Olympia Splendid Maestro air conditioning unit not working properly. Paused on 25. 20 is flashing at some points, so this is going to be the fix. So easy fix will be to drain the reservoir. Remove this square piece. Just use a little pry to open this up right here. And then there'll be a little drain tube here. All you do is pull this out and we'll drain it into a little bucket. Okay, place a bucket underneath. Remove the drain plug. And there you go. Water is draining. Let it drain fully. Put the plug back in. So quite a bit of water drained from the tube. So the water has pretty well drained. We're going to place the tube back in. Just push it back into place. Close the cover. Snap shut, and we should be done. Let's test it out. Okay, turning it on. There you go. Back in operation.